What is the number one way that we see somebody calling us wishing they would have called earlier? This happens all the time where somebody calls our office and says, hey, here's what's going on, can you help me? And I have to tell them, no, I'm not the kind of lawyer that can help you. Even though I'm a criminal defense lawyer, you've waited too long. And this is what happens. Someone goes to court on a case and they may think it's not that serious or that they can handle it themselves. And they may do all the research possible. But here's the deal. They enter a guilty plea to something. And maybe it's like a traffic ticket or something like that. But it has some incredible negative consequence on them. Maybe they lose their driver's license and they didn't know. Who knows what it is? Maybe the probation conditions aren't exactly what they thought. And they say, well, hey, look, the prosecutor told me this, okay? It comes up a lot in DUI and traffic stuff. The prosecutors do not represent you. The prosecutors do not have a duty, or even they're not even allowed to give you advice if you're the defendant in a case. They don't have to advise you on ramifications of your plea, right? So you may enter a criminal plea by paying a speeding ticket, which in Georgia is the equivalent of pleading guilty, and it may suspend your driver's license, right? Administratively, prosecutors usually have never been in private practice, a lot of them. They don't know the civil ramifications, and they're certainly not going to tell you because you are the other party. They don't represent you. They're not advising you. They want you to plead guilty. They want the county to make money off of you. They want your case to go away so that their caseload can go down. When you call us, sometimes we can help. Sometimes we can file a motion to withdraw the plea or whatever it may be. But here's the deal. There are strict timelines. It's hard to do. It makes it more expensive for you. All of these things. Call the lawyer before you go enter your plea. And this is not some grab. We see this all the time. People saying, man, I would have hired somebody. I just didn't know. But you're watching this video, so you do know. There's no excuse. If you're watching this video, no. If you go in by yourself, you're not going to have someone that knows all of the potential ramifications and the ways around that, whether it's a 0-point order, a NOLO, a first offender, a pretrial diversion, whatever it may be. It's case by case. There are ways to avoid things like that. Don't wait too long. Don't be one of those guys or girls that I have to tell, I'm so sorry, I wish you had called me a month ago and we could have helped, but now there's nothing I can do. And even if I can, it's going to be an uphill battle.